The Career Internship Program, or CIP, is a dedicated transition program that prepares students to negotiate between school, post-secondary education, employment, adult living, and living within the community. The sequence of courses provides learning opportunities to expand students' awareness of their strengths, interests, and preferences in relation to post-secondary transition. Students have opportunities to explore careers through hands-on experiences within the classroom and school community. This course is recommended through your IEP and satisfies the graduation requirement for financial, economic, business, and entrepreneurial literacy and/or visual and performing arts. In addition to ordering supplies, quoting customers, and accepting orders, our students gain hands-on experience with a variety of programs that we have developed. Bring your damaged bicycles, skateboards, vacuum cleaners, or wood pieces, and we can work together to help repair it. Trophy shop and engraving machine, our goal is to prepare our students for life after high school. During your senior year, you may qualify for a work-study program that is offered through the CIP or co-op. We also have the Structured Learning Experience, the SLE program, designed to provide students with exposure to the requirements and responsibilities of specific job titles or job groups, and to assist you in gaining employment skills and making career and educational decisions. We work directly with some of the local businesses. They include, but are not limited to, ShopRite, Pip Printing, West Essex YMCA, Calabria, Livingston Senior Youth and Leisure, Board and Brush, Livingston Mall, Jarmel Cazell, Architects and Engineers, and Pups at Play. Students meet with their teachers and job coaches on skills to help support current skills and develop new career-based skills. Lessons and activities include practicing interview skills, strengthening interpersonal skills, exploring employment through occupational websites, applying their computer skills to everyday employment skills, participating in informational interviews with local business owners and professionals, maintaining a daily schedule, developing meal menus, and shopping online for ingredients within a set budget. Students have developed their own businesses based on their interests and passions, including designing a logo, mapping a store floor plan, creating sales flyers, and even searching for available domain names online. To support students' social-emotional health, students participate daily in socially engaging activities when in school. These skills can be applied to the workplace when the time comes.